In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email using Zoho Mail with ease. Whether you're new to Zoho Mail or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered with these simple steps that will have you forwarding emails in no time. First, you'll want to log in to your Zoho Mail account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to https://mail.zoho.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. That's your email address and password. Then hit the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be brought to your inbox, where all of your emails are neatly organized and ready to be managed. Now, to forward an email, begin by locating the specific email you wish to send on. Click to open it. As you view this message, make a mental note of the various options at your disposal, like replying or even archiving, but our focus today is on forwarding. Look towards the bottom of the email, right beside the options to reply and reply all. The forward button is conveniently located here for your use. Additionally, you might find another forward icon at the top right corner of your email window, sitting alongside the reply and reply all icons. Feel free to click on whichever is easiest for you to access. Both will work just fine and take you to the next step smoothly. When you click forward, a compose window will appear, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments and additions to your email before sending it off. The first thing to do in this window is to carefully enter the recipient's email address in the appropriate field. Make sure it's accurate to ensure your email reaches the intended recipient without any hiccups. Now, while forwarding an email is straightforward, you might want to add a message of your own, maybe some context or a personal note, which can be very useful for the recipient. If there's something specific that enhances understanding, now is a great time to do so. After everything looks good and you're satisfied with the information in both the original message and any additional text you've added, it's time to send it off. You'll find the Send button somewhere towards the bottom of the Compose window, or maybe at the top, depending on your configured view. Click Send, and just like that, your email has been forwarded. By following these steps, you'll find that forwarding emails in Zoho Mail becomes an effortless task. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each email, you'll grow more comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.